In this video, I'm going to show you how to get lost Snapchat streaks back, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on your profile and going to Settings, and scrolling all the way down to the part where it says Support. Now, as you can see, there are two options here that I could click. You could either click I need help or go straight to I lost my snap streak. Now I'm going to click how do I restore my snap streak, but you can also click any one of these. Let's do the second one. Now, as you can see, there are troubleshooting guides to actually restore your snap streak. If I click on iOS, there are going to be a lot of options for how to restore it. Now, if I do how to restore my snap streak, it's going to tell me the same things. And if I go all the way back to I need help, if you go onto support, it's going to load up a page and I'm going to click snap streaks. Once I go there, I will actually look on this page and scroll down to how do I actually find my snap streak and get it back. Now, a really easy way to do this is to actually go onto was this article helpful, click on no, and then click on didn't answer my problem. Now, you'll be given the option to contact Snapchat support, and you can submit a request for I lost my snap streak. Now, as you can see, it keeps on giving me the options to actually restore my snap streak. So I'm going to click on I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak. Now, it'll keep giving me several options, but you're just going to need to continue trying until it actually gives you this option to submit a request. Now, since they have actually taken away the option to contact them, all you have to do is use one free Snapchat streak restore in the app, or you can purchase a snap streak restore. If you still need help, you can click on yes, and you'll be able to put in your username, email address, mobile number, and the friend's username that you want to restore. Then you can say that you did see the hourglass icon and it didn't restore the streak. This is the final way that you can actually restore your streak, and you're going to submit it and they will hopefully get back to you and restore your streak. That's all there is to it. It is a little bit complicated and you do have to go through support quite a bit until you find the restore option, but make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.